Good afternoon, my viewers, my subscribers. This evening we're gonna go to the local community center gardens. We're gonna make a little video and hopefully we're gonna give you some inspirations and some ideas for your local gardening. And yes, that is it. Blessed love. Hopefully you're gonna get some inspiration out of these videos. See you in a minute. So we are at the local community center garden and the nature trail. So this is the community center. Inside of the building you have the cafe. You can pop in there for the cake and the coffee and some food. It's located in Handy. So that is the nature trail around the community center. You can walk with your dog, with your children. Really nice walk. Plenty of benches to sit down and have a rest. We're gonna have a walk with the dog first, and then we're gonna go inside the community gardens that grow their own food to supply into the kitchen also as well. Some fresh food for the kitchen. Anybody can go in, have a look inside, see what's going on inside in here also as well. So blessed love, stay tuned. We're gonna have a little walk around the nature trail. Gonna make a little video over there as well. Stay tuned, watch Wagwan, and see you in a minute. 1 second, Hannah, 1 second. So my viewers, my subscribers, Hannah just stopped in here and she found... Yes!
Snake! Snake!
So we have the reptiles in there. There you go. Slow worms they are. So they sitting underneath those black things because it's getting hot on the sun. That is it. You can see those things in here on the nature trail. Slow worms. We're gonna leave them be now. Yes, well done, Hannah. Well done. And we carry on walking the path over there. Really nice views. We're gonna show you more views in a minute. Stay tuned and watch Wagwan. So what we've just seen is the slow worm. On the top you've got a Welsh name. I don't know how to pronounce this and say this.
Come on, Les.
Ah.
I just said Welsh. Hello.
That is it. Blessed love, Hannah, yes?
Come on, say Welsh.
So like I say, handy nature trail, plenty benches, you can sit down. Really nice views. So the local nature trails has the bird watching place. You can stand behind the wooden wall for the children and for the adults also too. These are the birds you can see over here, and it's a really nice view onto the fields. And if you stay quiet you can spot the local wildlife. Many different species of the birds. That is it. And stay tuned, watch Wagwan. We are going into the gardens now. gonna walk past a little pond as well, so maybe we're gonna find some fish inside. So blessed love and stay tuned. Hannah's on the scooter. She learned how to, whoa, how fast she goes, that is it. Go on, lightning! Zoom. So that is the nature trail from the other side. It's got really nice views. Handy, it's a little village. It's got its own local rugby club also as well. You can go in there and have a pint, have a play in the darts also too. So if you ever gonna come to Handy, enjoy those places. It's a local community center cafe, nature trail and the rugby club also too. So we're gonna head now onto the community center gardens and we're gonna see what is going on down there. Blessed love, stay tuned and watch Wagwan. So that is how the community center looks like from the close. We got some water pond in here, and what kids found are tadpoles. Stan, show the subscribers. So these are the little frogs. Show it, wait 1 second. Yes, that is it.
No, show mine.
It's a small tadpole and it's loads of them in the water in here. So these are the small baby frogs. That is it.
I got another one.
Yes?
Oh. Oh, aha!
You have one? Show me.
That's
Plenty of them. So we keep on walking. Stay tuned and watch Wagwan. So my viewers, my subscribers, there is also goldfish in the pond. You can come catch some also as well. Just throw the fishing rod in here. I'm only joking. But there is a goldfish in the pond as well, so that is it. Blessed love. You can come around and have a look at all those cool stuff. Oh, that is it, you see. There is another pond in here. We're gonna have a look. Is there any fish or anything inside?
I see something like that.
What is it?
Oh, I see it. Something is down there.
But only water plants I can see for now. Not much more. So as well, you can sit outside, watch those views and have a coffee and a cake and a lunch also as well. Downstairs gym. The entrance to the gardens. We can go in anytime you want. You can go and have a walk. You can see. You can sign up for the volunteer as well. You can help in the gardens as well. There's plenty raised beds. I think they building another pond over there, the big one in the middle. It's a massive polytunnel. I cannot fit like one like this in my backyard, but we can have a look what's inside. There is some food already planted. All this food gonna go inside the kitchen and the chef's gonna prepare it in the cafe. So the local grown in the cafe food as well. Herbs and spices. It's still early days as well, so I don't think there is much things growing yet. Everything is it? I'm coming now, 1 second. Bench, some bird feeders over there, you know, rainwater collecting as well, that's a good thing. We'll see what's inside. You can go inside and have a look. Some seedlings, tomato plants, beans, some herbs, 3 raised beds watering system as well, built it in. So yeah, it's a good look. It's only a start of the season as well, so we're gonna watch it grow. Probably gonna make another videos later on when everything is blooming and thing, but that is it. It's a good look. You can come here with your children and stuff.
Why is that working now?
I don't know, because it's still early. It's early spring, so we're not planting much in here now.
I want to go.
So yes, that is the local handy community center, nature trail, gardens and the cafe in Handy. Feel free to come in and have a look. Blessed love. Stay tuned and watch Wagwan. So the raised beds are composted with the manure as well. I think it's a horse manure, I think. So organic also as well. So that is a good thing. Healthy food. This is what you want to have. It is still in the progress. It's a fresh place. Herbs and spices.